passed during that session. A number of legislation was passed, and in each connection, the Chief Minister of Goa, who is a candidate of Panaji, took full advantage to make election speeches on the floor of the House. In fact, his speeches were longer than normal speeches in many times, and practically used to interfere in all the demands, whether pertaining to his ministry or otherwise, and therefore he saw to it that he get full exposure. Why this is being done? Because nowadays electronic media is there, so many channels broadcast live. Therefore, the Panaji candidate had a full opportunity to do election campaigning while in the assembly. Going to the on the ground, that is different thing subsequently. But this floor was used by BJP for electioneering. I feel the election session, the assembly session could have been rescheduled. If it has been rescheduled, these things could have been avoided. Of course, now the time is gone. Another aspect I would like to mention, that official residence of Chief Minister is being used for electioneering. I am using this word because anything connected with election propaganda. How he does this? He meets his voters, he meets his workers at his residence, official residence. In recent times, he has done it. There was supposed to be a meeting today, which perhaps has been cancelled. But meeting in groups in his official residence for political purposes, again, is in electioneering, violation of code of conduct. One more aspect I would like to deal with in this press conference is this. I think there should be a fire fight against the Chief Minister Sri Manohar Parrikar for abatement of the offence of criminal negligence as far as this Lucky 7 casino vote is concerned.